Hi everyone, it's Michelle of MEW Designs, and I have been working on one of my machines. I'm actually calling this one Floody. If you've been following me, you know I have Pfaffy McPfaff pants, so this one's also a Pfaff. Got a little bit wet on the weekend rain, so I have Pfaffy and Floody. But while working on it, I realised that it's really easy to see the timing aspect of things. And I know when I first started sewing, I knew timing was something important, but I didn't understand what timing actually was. And so while this machine's open, it lets you get in and see. So I will take the bobbin out. I'm going to try and do it one-handed, but I might need to put it on the stand. So in terms of timing, it is all about the needle going up and down and hitting the right spots. You can see in this one, it looks a lot like normal sewing machines in that the bobbin drops in. I'll just move this little plate out of the way. Unscrew that too. So the problem with lives is I don't always prepare properly. So this machine is a little bit different. It's a roller foot. So the roller foot isn't anything. You don't need one. It was just I saw it and I thought it was an amazing machine and decided to buy it. So really difficult to do this one-handed. All right, I'm going to put give me a second to pop this into a holder. There. Okay. So the first part is the hook. So you can see sewing machine needle there. This is where the bobbin sits. And there's a part here that's called the hook. And it needs to time perfectly with the needle. There's a little bit of almost a cutout on the needle, and that hook needs to pass there as the needle goes down, and if it's out it can hit the bottom of the needle or the top of the needle. So the first part of the timing is that that hook is lining up. Now this machine, when I got it, was slightly out, and I've been tinkering with it to try and get it right, and it's not quite working. So that's actually an adjustment that I have to make underneath the machine, because it's all linked together. So there's actually a cog here, and that's the shaft that drives the machine, and that turns the bobbin around as the machine's driving. So that's how that hook timing works. Now the other part of timing, I haven't got this in quite right, there it is the actual needle bar height. So the height of the needle can get put out of an alignment. So if you've ever heard anyone saying, if you hit something like a metal zipper stop and it puts the timing of your machine out, that can actually be up in this top part. So you can see this part here moves up and down. So if it gets a really big knock, the whole thing can get bent, or it can put it out of alignment And what happens then is, with the needle going up and down, matching up to that hook, it puts the needle itself out of alignment. So they're the two sort of main areas of sewing machine timing. I hope that sort of helps to understand a little bit better of what's going on and how the sewing machines work, and when people talk about timing, what they're actually talking about. So thanks for watching it, and if I think of anything more, I'll also do lives on that.